I was planning on having a roof done 2-3 years from now. One of your people stopped by and said he noticed a couple curling shingles, and so I said, yeah, I could talk to somebody. And then when the inspector came, that was a good thing. And but the initial contact gave me a little confidence. Stellar overall, they have teams of people that actually work together, which is good to see. And it makes the system that they've got for tear off and installation very efficient and fast and high quality. So it was interesting to watch the people work, and as I say, team effort.
They're quick, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very quick and very focused, and they care about what they're doing, and you couldn't ask for anything more. What reminds me of something about 30 some years ago, when I worked with one of my friends and a few other friends, and we put the last roof on. I was hoping that I wouldn't have to do anything. If they did that and they did a good job, I would recommend Stellar. Their knowledge of what the job is, they were excellent, excellent.